Hello, good morning to you all. In this video, I'll simply explain how you can adjust Google keyboard size. Google keyboard size. For example, if you are texting someone using Google keyboard, if you install gboard as your default keyboard on your Android mobile, and then if you want to change the size of it, it is very easy. I received a comment asking me to explain this, but I did a detailed video on all the Google keyboard settings. I already explained this on that video, but if anyone misses that, you can watch this video. I'll keep the link in the description of that video also. If you want other settings to be known, you can watch that video. Yeah, open any conversation using Google keyboard. I'll open WhatsApp. Yeah, see here, this is on my Google keyboard. So this is the default size of the Google keyboard. If I want to adjust, it is very simple. You need to click on this option, which is the settings, gboard settings. This is another settings, but internally here you can click on this. You will get more options, not the settings, more options. And here under the more options, there is an option called resize. Here you need to tap on this. You can adjust the size. Okay, adjust the size. Where is this? Resize. Once you are okay with the size, you need to click on this tick symbol, so that size get fixed. If you want to have the default size, mean if you want to reset the size, you can click on the symbol. See, this is the default size which comes with the gboard installation. So for by any chance if you resize and now if you are not okay with that size, you can just use this symbol. So I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.